welcome back to me. This is one of my home upgrade series, I can say, because I have very less furniture in my home, and I have been thinking to have a shoe rack all these days. But finally, I went to container store and then I grabbed this. As this is the very first time me doing these kind of things, which I've never done in India, I had to look into it a little bit more consciously and finally figured out like how I can proceed with the step-by-step instructions that are given in instruction booklet. And good thing is you don't need to have any tools to start with this, because everything that you need to fix it is already there in the box. And coming to the specifications for this shoe rack, it's a 4-tier shoe rack with adjustable bars, and I have chosen the color white, and 8 inches, like 8 3/4 inch depth from front to back, and 24-inch in the height. I want to also share my experience while I was arranging my shoes on this rack. Is if you have a flat surface, it is very much good, but when you have a heel always falling down, I have to keep it in the last row of this rack. But as I have more shoes, this is a good one for me to make sure that you check all these before you buy. Hope this video helps you to decide if you have to go with this shoe rack or not. And if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to me, Vasu.